She's a long way from Houston, long way from them old Texas blues. She came down from Telluride on a steam train, bound for somewhere new. There's a rainbow in the mountains, she's waiting on the sun to shine on through. Can't tell the tears from the rain, you ain't walked a mile in her boots. She's standing in the rain in Durango, the right side of wrong, the wrong side of gone. Standing in the rain in Durango, she's waiting on some cowboy to lasso her heart and take her home. She fell in with some hippies, needle dance in a tie-dye dress. Then a Rocky Mountain rain came, they all got soaking wet. She wound up with a backstage pass, hanging with the pickers in the band. Heart got broke by a banjo man. Now she's had all the bluegrass she can stand. She's standing in the rain in Durango, the right side of wrong, the wrong side of gone. Standing in the rain in Durango, she's just waiting on some cowboy to lasso her heart and take her home. She had all of her belongings in a cardboard suitcase sitting by her side. She had no destination, she was just looking for a ride. So he pulled up in a Mustang, she got in and they just rode away. Headed west into the sunset, mascara running down her face. Standing in the rain in Durango, the right side of wrong, the wrong side of gone. Standing in the rain in Durango, just waiting on some cowboy to lasso her heart and take her home. Just waiting on some cowboy, lasso her heart and take her home. Just waiting on some cowboy, lasso her heart and take her home.